My name is Sara, and we're from Washington, D.C.
My name is Lerone. We're from Washington, D.C., like my wife said.
We came here to try to find ways to stop arguing and just resolve and move on from things that have happened in our past and keep haunting us and keep coming up. Every fight, small, big, the same issues keep coming up. And we were on a vicious cycle and just about ready to throw in the towel.
I mean, for sure. Literally, I think the day that I had, decided to come to Couples Academy, or at least introduce the idea, I had met with a divorce attorney, My foot was out the door, man. I was ready to go. I was done, literally. We've been together for 15 years. Most of it has been beautiful, but I think over the course of that time, we never really had the tools to sort of address some of the issues. And some of those issues really just bubbled up and reached a boiling point. I was looking to get a divorce, I was looking to get a divorce, but I realized that I'd never really actually tried. We never actually tried to, in a systematic way, sort of talk about some of the issues that we had, and we never really developed a framework to address them. So I'm gonna tell you right now, man, if there's somebody out there that's struggling with their marriage, and I don't want to cry, but this experience today definitely gave us some life-changing tools. Right before we sat on this table, we sort of just went over this exercise that really just started. I'm not trying to cut you, babe, or just take over, but we went over this exercise that really just gave us something that kind of embarrasses me. Provided us with an amazing tool that teaches us how to resolve problems.
And it's beyond, it's simple, it's easy, it's, if you're struggling with things that are constantly coming up and you think that they're never going to go away because he doesn't understand, or he doesn't listen, or he doesn't take this seriously, and I'm the only one, and and it makes you sad in your marriage that you're just constantly going through these issues that are very big for you. We've learned here that can be fixed, that there are ways to get beyond those issues, that you can, really resolve them in a way that you're not doing it alone in a silo. You're doing it with your partner, and effectively, and with respect, and with honor, and listening. And it's not hokey pokey.
Yeah, I mean, you don't.
It's not fake. It's not in the moment. It's not for the minute that we're talking, and then we're gonna go back and do what whatever we want. It's legit, committed, negotiating of the issues and really working through them so that you have a resolution that you both love, and that you can both move forward with. And there's flexibility in that itself, because you're talking about the resolutions, but you're also giving yourself space to come back to the table and make some tweaks and make some changes if it's not working.
I mean, I can't wait to go home and try these tools. I just can't wait.
Couples Academy has been amazing.
Yeah, I mean, look, my life has been changed from this experience, man. You know what I mean? I know that we'll be together, and that means everything. But again, I think the most important thing is I have the tools now in such a short period of time. I had some doubts, legit. I had some doubts, but those doubts are gone. So if you have any struggles, any challenges, this will be a life-changing experience for you.
Yeah.
He's